What isn't SharePoint? This is the big misunderstanding of SharePoint. People consider it as a file store or a database or perhaps a website. SharePoint isn't a database. It doesn't hold relational information at scale that can be performant across multiple dimensions of one-to-many or many-to-one relationships. It simply isn't designed like SQL or Oracle or other databases with that use case in mind. However, it is a location where you can store data. And by data, I mean items of information which are important to you in either your communication or your business or your workflow needs. And you can also store metadata relating to those items. For example, information which describes, characterizes, or confirms an aspect of why that item is in the list. SharePoint isn't a website, but again, it does offer opportunities to collaborate and share information, images, themes, look and feel, gather information, just like a typical website. SharePoint isn't just a file store. It can store files, it can also store data. But what it can also do is add much richer information to those files and those items and allow you to set up workflows, flows and processes to help you manage that information and perform actions with it. So it doesn't just become a static bucket that you put information in. It's often mentioned that SharePoint's becoming obsolete. Well, to reassure you, there is no risk of SharePoint dying anytime soon. Since it's gaining more popularity as an essential part of the solutions that Microsoft offer in their vision, part of a world of services within Microsoft 365 that support many, many different needs under the one license umbrella.